November the 1st, 2020. Happy November, everybody. Weekly Redline Nova update. So I went ahead and ordered the power windows for the car. Am I ready for them? Not so much, but I went ahead and ordered them anyway because I've been kind of throwing around the idea of bringing the bar for the four-point roll cage down through the inner, interior panel right here instead of being on the outside here. I know that doesn't look right, but instead of bringing it through the outside right here, bringing it through here to where it kind of ran down like that and went through the steel. And so I thought, well, in order to do that, I've got to know where are my power windows and the regulators and the motors and all that. What space are they going to occupy and take up? So if I squat downhill, you can have a look here at the power regulators from New Relics. Pick these things up, NU-RELICS, New Relics. Spoke to Dusty over there who hooked me up with a set of these things. And I'll have a review coming a little bit later on those things, telling you what I think of them. Right now, they're a little bit too new to me to where I haven't done anything with them. I don't know. We'll see. But initially, they look good. They tell you in the instructions that you've got to trim out. See if I can come around from the back side here. That you've got to trim out this space right here to make room for this motor. So I had to cut the interior door panels of the car in order to make room for the power windows. If you have a look over here at this side, you'll notice that I have yet to cut the space going from here to here to here, kind of this big area where everything's going to sit. Not just that, it's worth mentioning that, you can see right here, you've got 4 mounting holes. And with the power windows, they actually relocate this mounting hole here to right about here. And what I didn't really care about, was that I was going to have to drill a hole in this angled section through here that was not going to be flat. And I understand that that's fine to do and that there's technically nothing wrong with it. But anybody who watches the build of this car on YouTube knows me in that I have to do everything the hard way. So what I did was I fabricated a flat section that you see right in here so that the bolt right here would not be in a curved section. So it would be, this bolt would be perfectly flat with all of the other bolts, right? So that's what I did. I've only done one side of the car at this point, but that's how far I am along with putting the power windows in. I will show you that the switches that I've selected for this, I think are going to be really, really cool. They're like a backlit switch, so those things are supposed to glow, in the dark, which I think will be really cool. One of the other things that I started on this week was up front. I went ahead and made another strut that you see right here that basically holds the front end at proper ride height, and then I made a set of fake wheels for the front of the car. I've still got to make fake wheels for the rear of the car, and sometime here in the pretty near future. I intend to fully weld up the chassis, pull it off of the jig, and basically see how does it look, at the diameter tires and wheels that I plan to use. In this case, this is 25.3 inches diameter, and basically set it on its own feet and see how it looks. What do I think before I go any further? Do I like the way that it's coming along? We'll see. So that's what I have been working on this week. Not a lot, but a little. And coming along good. Hope you'll have a great weekend. Thanks for watching.